This is Sam. He's 15 and has autism. Like many people with autism, Sam has difficulties dealing with the information that he receives from his senses. He finds it difficult to tell the difference between sights, sounds and smells in the foreground from those in the background, and receives all the information from his surroundings at the same time. For Sam, this can be overwhelming and makes everyday situations all the more stressful. Luckily, Sam has a Squeeze vest. The Squeeze vest helps Sam deal with stressful moments by applying a hug-like pressure around his upper body. No weights are used. The pressure is achieved simply by inflating the vest with air. The sensation of pressure helps him to calm down. It works in a similar way to how swaddling can help restless children to relax. Sam is in full control and can apply more pressure just by squeezing the hand pump. When he feels relaxed, Sam deflates his Squeeze vest by pressing the release button. The Squeeze vest is discreet and lightweight. Also, it can be worn all day. Sam can zip his vest into a specially designed squeezed hooded sweatshirt, which is extra soft and has zip covers and no scratchy labels. Or he can wear it under his regular clothing. Sometimes he uses the vest to help him concentrate on his homework and even fall asleep. Pressure therapy can help people like Sam and many other people with sensory difficulties of all ages and abilities. To read more stories from people who are currently